Good morning. Welcome to MEDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you and your family member will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video in your friend circle. Today I am going to solve the rest question of this exercise. But first, let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? First question of practice. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter long building is 30 degree. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstone from P is 45 degree. Find the length of flagstone and the distance of the building from the point. Now first I draw a sample diagram. Solution 1. According to the question, a point P on the ground. From the point P, there is a building and also a flagstone. Suppose that AB is a building and BC is a flagstone. Then we have to given the height of building is 10 meter and the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree and elevation of the flagstone from P is 45 degree. We have to write, let AB be the building and BC be the flagstone. Given AB is equal to 10 meter, angle APB is equal to 30 degree, angle APC is equal to 45 degree. In right triangle BAP, tan 30 degree is equal to AB by AP. Implies the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to AB. The value of AB is equal to 10 by AP. Implies AP is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Again, in right triangle CAP, tan 45 degree is equal to AC by AP. Implies the value of tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to AC by AP is equal to 10 root 3 implies AC is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Therefore BC is equal to AC minus AB. BC is equal to AC minus AB. From AC we subtract AB from AC, then we get BC. So 10 root 3 minus 10. 10 is common, then root 3 minus 1 meter. Now hence the length of Flagstaff BC is equal to 10 root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. The next question, question number 2. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Find the length of the tower. Suppose AB is a tower, okay, and the sun is here, then shadow is small. Again suppose sun is here, first here, then the shadow is longer. It means that when the sun is this point, it means that the sun is 60 degrees, the altitude of sun is 60 degree, then the shadow is BC. When the altitude of sun is 30 degree, then the shadow is BD. Okay, now write in the language. Let AB be the tower and let BC and CD be its shadow. Given angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, angle ADB is equal to 30 degree, and this is 40 meter longer. It means that CD is equal to 40 meter. Now in right triangle ABC, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC, implies the value of tan 60 root 3 is equal to AB by BC, implies BC is equal to AB by root 3. Equation 1. Again in right triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BD, implies the value of tan 30 root 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BD implies BD is equal to AB root 3 implies BD is equal to BD is equal to BC plus CD. BC plus CD is equal to BD is equal to AB root 3 implies the value of BC is equal to AB by root 3. AB by root 3 plus CD is equal to 40 meter is equal to AB root 3 from 1, equation 1 implies 40 is equal to AB root 3 minus AB by root 3 implies 40 is equal to LCM is root 3, then AB root 3 into root 3 minus AB implies 40 into root 3 is equal to 3AB minus AB implies 40 into root 3 is equal to 2AB. 2 divided by, then we get 20 implies AB is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Hence the height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. Answer. Now the next question of exercise 9.1. Question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 40 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. First I draw a simple diagram. Solution. According to the question, AB is a building and on ground other point is D, and on the building BC is a transmission tower. The angle of elevation from the to the bottom of transmission and top of the transmission tower, the bottom is 45 degree, the bottom of elevation to the of the bottom, and elevation of the top is 60 degree. Now we have to write, let AB be the building and BC be the transmission tower. Let D be the point of observation. Given height of building is 20 meter, AB is equal to 20 meter, angle ADB is equal to 45 degree, angle ADC is equal to 60 degree. In right triangle BAD, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by AD, implies the value of tan 45 is equal to 1 is equal to AB, means 20 by AD, implies AD is equal to 20 meter. Again, in right triangle CAD, tan 60 degree is equal to AC by AD, implies the value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 is equal to, from AC we write AB plus BC, AB plus BC by AD 20, implies 20 root 3, 20 go to the other side, and 20 root 3 is equal to AB 20 plus BC. Implies BC is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to 20 is common, then root 3 minus 1. Hence, the height of the tower BC is equal to 20 common root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. The next question, question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of pedestal. First, I draw the simple diagram. Solution. Now, suppose a pedestal is AB is a pedestal and BC is a statue, and on the point O on the ground, then the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree and top of pedestal is 45 degree. Also, the height of a statue is 1.6 meter. Now, Let AB be the pedestal and BC be the statue. And let O be the point of observation. Given BC is equal to 1.6 meter, angle AOB is equal to 45 degree, angle AOC is equal to 60 degree. In right triangle, BAO, tan 45 degree is equal to AB by OA, implies 1 is equal to AB by OA, implies OA is equal to AB from equation 1. Again, in right triangle CAO, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by OA. AC by OA, implies root 3 is equal to AC is equal to AB plus BC by OA is equal to AB from equation 1. Implies AB root 3 is equal to AB plus 1.6. Implies AB root 3 minus AB is equal to 1.6. Implies AB is common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Implies AB is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. You multiply 1 plus 6 in numerator and also in denominator, is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by a minus b into a minus a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by 2, divided 1.6 by 2, then we get 2 8 are 61.8, is equal to 0.8, sorry, is equal to 0.8 root 3 plus 1. Hence the height of pedestal of the skull is 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. Answer. The next question, question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Now, first I draw solution. A diagram. There is a building and also a tower. Okay. Suppose that according to the question, it is clear that tower is greater than the building. So AB is a building and CD is a tower. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation is 60 degree, and from the top of the from the top of the tower elevation is 60, and from the top of the building is the elevation is 30 degree. Let AB be the tower. Tower is greater than building, and CD be the building. Given AB is equal to the height of building is equal to 50 meter. Height of tower is 50 meter. Angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. Angle BCA is equal to 60 degree. In right triangle BAC, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by AC, implies the value of tan 60 is equal to 3 is equal to AB 50 by AC is equal to, implies AC is equal to 50 by root 3 meter. Again, in right triangle DCA, tan 30 degree is equal to CD by AC, implies 1 by root 3 is equal to CD by AC, implies CD is equal to AC into 1 by root 3. Implies CD is equal to, AC is equal to 50 by root 3, then 50 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by root 3 into root 3, 3 is equal to, when we divide, then 3 1 3 20 3 6 are 18 90 22 by 3 meter. Hence the height of the building is 16 upon 2 by 3 meter. Answer. The next question, question number 9. Sorry, question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on the either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them of the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the pole. First, I draw the simple diagram. Okay. There, suppose AC is a road and O is a point on the road. There is two poles, both are equal. Suppose AB and CD. From the question, the angle of elevation of this pole is 60 degree and 30 degree respectively, and also the distance between distance of road, the length of road, wide of road is 80 meter. Let AB and CD be the given poles, and let O be the point of observation on the road AC. Given AC is equal to 80 meter, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, angle COD is equal to 30 degree, and AB is equal to CD. In right triangle, BAO, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by OA, implies root 3 is equal to AB by OA, implies AB is equal to OA root 3, equation 1. Again, in right triangle DCO, tan 30 degree is equal to CD by OC, implies 1 by root 3 is equal to CD by OC, implies OC is equal to CD root 3. Implies OC is equal to implies CD is equal to OC by root 3. OC by root 3. Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2, OA root 3 is equal to OC by root 3, because AB is equal to CD. Implies OA root 3 into root 3 is equal to, according to the figure, OC is equal to, we can write AC minus OA. Okay, is equal to AC minus OA. Implies root 3 into 3, 3 OA minus OA, then plus OA is equal to AC. Implies 4 OA is equal to, the value of AC is equal to 80, then 4 20 are 80. Implies OA is equal to 20. Therefore AB is equal to OA root 3 is equal to 20 root 3. OC is equal to AC minus OA is equal to 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. Hence, the height of each pole is 20 root 3 meter, and the distance of the point from the poles are 20 meter and 60 meter. Answer. Now I am giving question for practice. Okay, first question. Now I am giving only one question. Okay, the angles of depression of the top and the bottom of 8 meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.